The next topic is loan. A loan is an act of giving money, property, or other material goods to another party in exchange for future repayment for the principal amount along with interest or other finance charges. A loan may be for a specific one time amount or can be available as open-ended line of credit up to a specified limit of ceiling account. Loan can be of different types. Now, let us study one by one. The first one is home loan. Everyone dreams of having their own home, but buying a property requires a lot of money and is not possible for people of lower class to collect that much money at once. Banks are now providing home loans which can be helpful to you in buying a property. Home loans can be of many types. Loan for land purchases, loans for repairing and extension of your home, loans for building a home. Different types of home loans can be useful for you in buying a property or a home of your own. Next is personal loan. Personal loan are meant to meet the personal needs of an individual. People can use this money for anything they want. They can, but some expensive gadgets or can also keep this money for going on a holiday with family. The rate of interest of this type of loan although is comparatively higher, but it still feels great to have the money in advance. Next is vehicle loan. Vehicle loan, or to be more specific, car loans, fulfill your dream of having a car or a bike. This loan is offered by almost all banks in India. This loan is a secured loan, hence if the installments are not paid on time, the lender has the right to take back the vehicle. If you get the loan on time, the installments should also be paid regularly. Next is education loan. Bank provides education loan to the customers. These loans provide better study opportunities for the students who want to pursue higher studies from a reputed institution can apply for loans in any bank in India. Once the student get placed, they themselves can pay back the money for their payment. Hence, now students who are poor can also opt for higher degrees. Next is gold loan. Among all types of loan in India, the easiest and fastest one to get is a gold loan. Earlier, when gold rates were increasing at an exponential rate, this loan was the most popular. Although now, when the rates are decreasing, the gold loan companies are facing huge losses. Next is agriculture loan. India is a land of farmers. Most of the people in India till date are dependent on agriculture. Therefore, it is very important to pay attention to the farmers also. There are different types of loans offered by banks to the farmers which can help them in their agriculture practices. They can build the seeds, insecticides, tractors and other equipments needed for agriculture from the money they get from the loan and can pay the money back once their crops are sold. Next is loan against insurance policy. If you own an insurance policy, you can apply for loan. The policies which have completed its 3 years are only eligible for loan. The insurer can himself provide you loan on the policy. You don't need to go after banks for loans. But you can also choose banks for giving you loan. You can pledge the documents of your policy with the bank for a loan. Next is loan against bank fixed deposit. If you have a fixed deposit in the bank, you can also apply for loan against fixed deposit. The rate of interest you pay for this amount is a bit higher than the interest paid by bank for the fixed deposit. Still, it is the best way to have a loan. Next topic is how to fill check. A check is a popular mode of banking transaction. A checkbook usually contains 5, 10, and 20 leaves. When you write a check, this is the information you need to include: the payee's name, the person you are paying, date, amount in words, amount in numbers, and your signature. The next topic is how to fill demand draft. Fill in the application form according to the guidelines given below. Name of the branch you are currently applying for the demand draft. Put a tick mark on the draft option. Select it since this is a dual form for banker's check too. Write the current date. As per WPC guidelines, the demand draft is to be made in favor of XYZ New Delhi. Fill in the amount for which you have to make the demand draft. Please verify the amount as per current rules before filling in. At the payable end fill in New Delhi. At the payable at branch fill in services. The applicant's signature comes here. Write down your full name and residential address. Submit this application form at the appropriate window. Your demand draft will be printed within 30 minutes and given to you.